It is time for a harvest. It's been a few weeks since I put this bird netting up to keep the birds from eating my grapes, and it looks like it worked, so let's get in the vineyard and pick some grapes.
greensandmachines.com.
All right, we've reached August and it's looking like a lot of these clusters are getting ready. As you can see, we still have grapes on the vine. It means the bird netting worked. Well, can we get a little closer? Looks like maybe something got here, but for the most part, a lot of these clusters are still intact. See here, Cabernet Sauvignon. Let's do a taste test, see if it's ready. I feel like that one needs another week, but it could be harvested now. What you're tasting for is, you're tasting for sweetness for the most part. You want really sweet grapes. They either taste the best or make the best wine. But wow, we got a ton of clusters. If I could sneak in here without losing my head. Whoa, look at all these white ones. Wow, these are big and thick. Let's see how this tastes. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to do a selfie cam when I eat one of these next. I'm gonna try another grape here. Which one was this one? This might be the Sauvignon Blanc, or the, oh, it's not that one. Look at this thing, pretty massive. Yeah, I could pick that. That cluster's good. So yeah, we're seeing clusters like this big. Well, I guess it's two, but you know, kind of deceiving. But these are some of the biggest clusters I've seen so far since I've started this vineyard. Which grape is growing these? I thought this was a Sauvignon Blanc. Oh, Palomino? I thought that was a red grape. I guess I'm wrong. Wow, look at these things. This might be the biggest producer of the year. And this is like one of the youngest ones. Ah! Bird netting stopping me. Let's see. Ah, Pinot Noir. Look at these, are nice and black. See that here? Well, I can assure you harvesting these will be a lot easier to process, given I don't have to remove a bunch of paper bags. But getting through the bird netting. Oh, this is ready. That one's ready for sure. Ooh, that one. Right through the canopy. I see some of the symphony over here. Oh, it's kind of back there. It's good. Let me get out of here. Yeah, I guess it's kind of hard for a bigger guy like me to navigate my little canopy of grapes. But hey, you know, I'll be able to get them all pretty soon. Just running a preliminary check to see if they're ready. We're here to the other part of the vineyard where all these Zinfandel are, and actually producing like some of the best clusters ever. I kind of worry though that they're sticking through this netting. Makes me think that the birds will come get them. So look at that. That's some great clusters right there. Taste test. That cluster is actually ready. I tried this one over here earlier and it wasn't quite ready. Pretty good tasting. It's like back in the vineyard days when I used to work in one. Look at all the grapes in at harvest. Then you get to taste test to see if they're ready for crushing. Look at that. There's so many dang clusters. Aglianico, yes. Good. Oh no, I think that was Aglianico. That's Syrah right there. That's Syrah. I don't remember what's what anymore, but I'm pretty sure this one here is not ready yet. It's not even ripe. All right, well, I'll get some footage of harvest of whatever I pick, and we'll see how much we get. And I'm going to take it's going to be a lot. Maybe actually enough that I will make wine, especially since the grapes are of a lot higher quality this year. It's hard to see them. That's what the birds can get.
greensandmachines.com.
So we harvested the Palomino here. It's a white grape. We got a ton. And we have Pinot Noir here. So yeah, that's already much better than last year's harvest, and it's just two. All right, next we're gonna pick these Cab Sauv, and they appear ready and they tasted ready.
This my roof.
So with most of the grapes harvested, I have to say this is the best year from the vineyard so far. The weights of the clusters I've picked so far, we've got 2 pounds of white grapes and 1.5 pounds of red grapes. That's enough to make multiple estate blends of different colors. So check back on Greens and Machines in a few weeks to see how the crush went for making some wine. Don't forget to subscribe to Greens and Machines if you want to see more viticulture videos. Hit the like button if you like this video, and we'll see you in the next video.